हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल द लीगल बीन्स। यूरेट पीजी 2025 के सभी सब्जेक्ट की रिवाइज्ड आंसर की एंड फाइनल आंसर की राजस्थान यूनिवर्सिटी की वेबसाइट के ऊपर रिलीज हो चुकी है। आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं यूरेट पीजी 2025 के लॉ क्वेश्चन पेपर को उसकी रिवाइज्ड एंड फाइनल आंसर की के साथ में। एंड फिर हम जानेंगे कि इसका फाइनल रिजल्ट जो है वो कब डिक्लेयर होगा एंड इसके सेकंड फेज के फॉर्म कब फिल होने स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे एंड इसकी फर्स्ट मेरिट लिस्ट जो है वो कब रिलीज होगी। एंड बाकी की मोर अपडेट्स के लिए रिलेटेड टू यूरेट पीजी 2025 प्लीज सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Question 1. The phrase secular socialist was inserted in the preamble of the Constitution by amendment. Correct answer is 42nd A. Question 2. Fundamental rights are given in which part of the Constitution? The correct answer is option B, part 3. Question 3. Right to property is no more a fundamental right, it is now a constitutional right under Article 300A. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. If an all India service is to be created, a resolution has to be passed first by option B, Rajya Sabha. Question 5. The well-known doctrine of basic structure was innovated in option C, Keshwanand case. Question 6. Fundamental duties relate to. ये क्वेश्चन इज बेनिफिटेड टू ऑल, मतलब आपका ये क्वेश्चन चाहे गलत गया हो या सही गया हो, इसके मार्क्स सबको मिलेंगे. Question 7. If a judge of a high court is to be removed on the proven ground of corruption and moral turpitude, who may do so? Correct answer is D. By the resolution of impeachment so passed by the parliament and then by the president of India can do so. Question 8. Law has been defined in the constitution under article. Option A, article 13 is the correct answer. Question 9. Which among the following statement is correct? C. The Constitution of India provides suspension of some fundamental right in particular situation. Question 10. When there is a joint sitting of both the houses of the parliament, who presides it? Option B, the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question 11. A money bill is initiated only in Lok Sabha with prior permission of the President. Who decides a money bill to be a money bill? Correct answer is option C, the Speaker of Lok Sabha. Question 12. Election Commission in India does not conduct election of option D, Panchayat and municipalities. Question 13. A member of Public Service Commission of your state on proven charges of corruption and moral turpitude can be removed by the option C, by an impeachment by the parliament. Question 14. Right of ownership does not perish even when the owner dies. So correct option is option B. Question 15. Identify the wrong answer. Option C, a mosque is a legal person, is the wrong answer here. Question 16. A legal person is one capable of being right and duties bearing unit. Option B is the correct answer. Question 17. Professor Duggett emphasized that law is essentially the product of social fact. Option A is correct. Question 18. These are certain valid modes of acquiring property. Find out which one is not such mode under TP Act. Option D, snatching by force. Question 19. Capital punishment means offences to be punished by death is the correct answer. Question 20. Conjugal right may be explained as right of husband or wife to the society of other spouse. Option B is the correct. Question 21. Lis pendens shall mean pending a suit relating to the issue. Option A. Question 22. De nova means option D, anew, afresh. Question 23. India got freedom because of Government of India Independence Act 1947. Option B is the correct answer. Question 24. Cripps mission come to India in 1942. Correct answer is C. Question 25. Which one of the following was not presidency town in India? Option A, Pune. Correct. Question 26. Fill in the blanks with correct preposition. We sat dash on the we sat dash ground. Okay, this question is deleted. Question 27. Fill in the correct answer. Someone is knocking dash the door. This question is also deleted. Question 28. Differentiate tort and torts. Correct answer is B. Tort refers to a single act of wrongfulness. Tort means entire body of governing such wrongs. Question 29. What is defamation under tort? Under law of tort, it is a false statement damaging person's reputation and published to third party. Option A is correct. Question 30. What is nervous shock in tort? Option D refers to recognized psychiatric illness or injury caused by witnessing traumatic event. Option D is correct. Question 31. What is PIL and SAL? PIL and SAL allow citizen etc. to bring issue to court of law affecting the rights of people. SAL is different name of PIL initiated by Professor Upendra Bakshi. Option A is correct. Question 32. What is Lok Adalat? Lok Adalat is an alternative to court. Option B is correct answer. Question 33. What is a contract? Choose what is a correct answer. An agreement enforceable by law is a contract. Correct answer is C. Question 34. Select which is not essential of valid consent. Consent must be conditional. Correct answer is D. Question 35. What principle of law was laid down in Mohiri Bibi versus Dharmo Das Ghosh case? A minor contract is no contract is the correct answer. Question 34. Dower, that is meher, in Muslim law is a mandatory payment by the husband to the wife. Correct answer is C. Question 37. A Muslim woman can remarry after completing of iddat period. Correct answer is C. Question 38. In Muslim law, a will is known as wasiyat. Option D is correct. Question 39. A Muslim marriage is considered a civil contract. Option B is the correct answer. Question 40. Which consumer right is not guaranteed under Consumer Protection Act of India? Correct answer is right to exploitation. Option A. Question 41. Which among the following is not an old sources of Hindu law? Correct answer is D. Old English dramas of UK. Question 42. Restitution of conjugal right are provided in which section of the Hindu law? Correct answer is C. Section 9. Question 43. In which year the Hindu Marriage Act was passed? Correct answer is A. 1856. Question 44. As per section 13(1) of Hindu Marriage Act, there are number of grounds of divorce. Find which of the following is not a valid ground for divorce. Correct option is D. Wife not being beautiful. Question 45. Why moot court has been included in your syllabus? Choose best alternative. Just to make aware and train students about the court procedure is the correct answer. Option B. Question 46. Which one of the following is not permissible mode of transfer of property under TP Act? Correct answer is D. Property through auction sale. Question 47. Transfer of property is defined in the TP Act under section. Option C. Section 5. Question 48. All the transfer of property under TP Act are essentially for consideration except gift. Correct answer is B. Question 49. Select the invalid answer. A transfer of property may be a conditional and a condition of impossible nature may also be imposed. Correct answer is A. Question 50. The well-known doctrine of lis pendens relate to which section? Correct answer is D. Section 52. Question 51. Point out which is not essential element of sale under section 54. Correct answer is option C. Sale is transfer of both movable and immovable. Question 52. Select the incorrect alternative. Correct answer is option C. Exchange relate to movable only. Question 53. International law is not a true law because option B. It has not been enacted by any legislative body is the correct answer. Question 54. Which one of the following is not recognized category of envoys or ambassadors etc.? Correct answer is option A. Chairperson of any Vidhan Sabha. Question 55. What is extradition? Correct answer is option C. Two nations under a treaty agrees to hand over offenders to countries where crime is committed. Question 56. Who coined the term international law? Correct answer is option D. Jeremy Bentham. Question 57. Where is the headquarters of International Court of Justice? Correct answer is option B. Hague. Question 58, difference between public international law and private international law. Choose correct answer. Option A is the correct. Public international law is body of rule which governs matter of nation, where private international law deals with issue of person of various countries internally. Question 59, what is the International Labour Organization and what is its function? Select correct alternative. Correct option is C. International Labour Organization is a specialized and three-party agency of the UNO. It consists representative of workers, employers, government for the cause of labour at world level. Question 60. Whether terrorists and dacoits are entitled to human right? Correct answer is option D. UDHR says that one who has born as a human being is entitled to human right irrespective of caste, race, etc. Question 61. Who coined first word United Nations for UNO? Okay, this question is benefited to all. इसके मार्क्स सबको मिलेंगे. Question 62. Find out which of the following is not industry under Industrial Dispute Act 1947. Correct answer is option D. A teacher library having 900 book. Question 63. Choose the correct match. Option A. Trade Union Act 1926 is the correct answer. Question 64. Labor is an entry of which list? Correct option is option D. Concurrent list. Question 65. The word strike has been defined in which section of Industrial Dispute Act? This question is benefited to all. Question 66. Minimum wages means? Correct answer is option A. Minimum rate of wages decided by the government has to be paid irrespective of economic capacity of the employer. Question 67. A lockout is a situation when? Correct answer is option B. A tool opposite of strike in the hand of employer to force worker to accept the work as given. Question 68. Find which is incorrect alternative. Trade union is defined as a combination of workers, temporary or permanent, formed for the purpose of regulating the relations of. Correct answer is option C. Seller and buyer gathering near factory. Question 69. Find out which is incorrect. Factories Act 1948 provide number of act of welfare for workers as. Correct answer is option D. Providing bar and dance clubs to workers. Question 70. In which case of Supreme Court has decided the definition of industries which stands law today? Correct option is option A. Bangalore Water Supply and Sewage Board versus Rajappan 1978. Question 71. Select which is not true following new criminal act made effective at present are. Correct option is B. The new bar and bench code. Question 72. The new BNS which has replaced earlier IPC now has section. Correct option is D. 358 sections. Question 73. Which one of the following is not document as defining BSA? Correct answer is option D. 300 years old steam locomotive placed in a rail museum at London. Question 74. Choose which is not correct. Okay. So क्वेश्चन 74 के अंदर जिन भी स्टूडेंट्स ने या तो ऑप्शन बी टिक किया हो या ऑप्शन सी टिक किया हो, तो ये दोनों ही ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. चाहे आपने बी किया हो तो भी आपका करेक्ट है, या जिन्होंने सी किया हो उनका वो भी करेक्ट है. तो बी एंड सी दोनों करेक्ट है इसमें. क्वेश्चन 75. सेलेक्ट विच इज नॉट करेक्ट. देयर आर नंबर ऑफ चेंजेस इन BNS, सम ऑफ देम आर एस अंडर. अगेन इसमें भी दो करेक्ट ऑप्शंस है, ऑप्शन बी एंड ऑप्शन डी. तो जिन्होंने भी बी लगाया हो या डी को टिक किया हो उन सभी स्टूडेंट्स के वो आंसर सही हैं, उनके मार्क्स मिलेंगे. क्वेश्चन 76. चूज मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट आंसर. करेक्ट आंसर इज सी. These newly introduced codes focused on justice instead of punishment. Question 77. Choose what is incorrect. Okay, so question 77 is benefited to all. इसके मार्क्स सभी स्टूडेंट्स को मिलेंगे. Question 78. Select which is not correct. Okay, question 78 में भी दो करेक्ट ऑप्शंस हैं, दैट इज ऑप्शन बी एंड ऑप्शन डी. तो जिन्होंने भी बी लगाया हो या डी को टिक किया हो तो वो दोनों ही ऑप्शंस सही हैं. Question 79. Select the correct one. Correct option is A. Section 300 of IPC has now been Section 101 in new BNS. Question 80. The new criminal laws of 2023 are specific about women and children. Choose which is incorrect. So correct answer of question 80 is option C. Seems lip service only for girls and women. Question 81. Find out which is not a source of administrative law. Correct answer is D. Fictional novel. Question 82. Which is correct alternative? Which of the following doctrine mean let the superior answer? Okay. So question 82 is benefited to all. इसके मार्क्स सबको मिलेंगे. Question 83. A company is a legal person distinct from which members? In which case this principle was laid down? Correct answer is option A. Solomon versus Solomon Company Limited. Question 84. Which of the following is correct? The minimum number of members required to form a public company. Question 84 is benefited to all. Question 85. Who said this? Statute is the will of legislature. Question 85 again is benefited to all. Question 86. The mischief rule of interpretation has its origin from which case? Correct answer is option B. Hidden case. Question 87. The literal rule of interpretation emphasized on. Correct answer is option C. The ordinary meaning of the words. Question 88. Which rule is applied when literal rule meaning leads to absurd result? Correct answer is option C. Golden rule is applied. Question 89. The adjustum generis rule means. Correct answer is option B. General words follow, specific words are limited by them. Question 90. Which of the following is considered as external aid of interpretation? Correct answer is option D. Legislative history. Question 91. Environmental Protection Act in India was enacted in which year? Correct answer is 1986. Question 92. Which article of Constitution of India mainly deals with protection and improvement of environment? Correct answer is option C. Section 48. Article 48A. Question 93. Principle of polluter must pay for the damages to the environment is known as. Question 93 is benefited to all. Question 94. The National Green Tribunal was established in India in the year. Correct answer is option B. 2010. Question 95. The Limitation Act belongs to. Correct answer is option C. 1963. Question 96. Select which is incorrect. Option A. The law of limitation is unnecessary burden on the proceeding of the suit in the court of law is the correct answer. Question 97. Limitation period to file statement under CPC after 2020 amendment. Question 97 is benefited to all. Question 98. Which section of CPC deals with res judicata? Correct answer is option D. Section 11. Question 99. Which section of CPC deals with stay of suit? Correct answer is option B. Section 10. Last question 100. The principle he who comes with equity must come with clean hands means option B. The claimant must be honest and fair is the correct answer. Okay. So अब हम आपको बताएंगे कि यूरेट पीजी 2025 के लॉ एग्ज़ाम की जो फाइनल रिजल्ट है वो कब डिक्लेयर होगी. इसकी जो एस्टिमेटेड डेट है वो है 23 जून एंड इसकी जो सेकंड फेज़ की फॉर्म है वो 24 जून से स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे फिल होना. एंड इसकी जो फर्स्ट मेरिट लिस्ट होगी यूरेट पीजी 2025 के लॉ एग्ज़ाम की ये रिलीज़ होगी 10 जुलाई 2025 को. एंड रिवाइज्ड आंसर की आने के बाद में आप सबके कितने मार्क्स बन रहे हैं वो आप हमें कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा. एंड इस सेशन को लेकर या फिर यूरेट पीजी 2025 के किसी भी पेपर को लेकर सब्जेक्ट को लेकर आपकी अगर कोई भी क्यूरीज़ है तो वो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.